My name's Yvette Brindle. I am a GP support champion. I'm also a GP partner and GP trainer in Chester. So supported return to training is really about looking after trainees who are going to be out of programme for whatever reason, helping them in their return to work. So trainees can be at any stage of training when they access support, from ST1 through till ST3. We have various courses that can help upskill trainees whilst they're out of work. We can facilitate keeping in touch days so that they can go into their workplace that they are returning to and get a feel for how things run before their return to work. We can also put them in touch with mentors who can help support them in a variety of ways. And we can also help build a supported return to training through an enhanced supervision programme on their return to work. The way support communicates with our trainees is very flexible. Primarily we use email. We're open to telephone calls, Zoom calls, MS Teams. We can meet with trainees face to face, and we can work around their schedule as we recognise that the working day doesn't always fit with people's lives. We do encourage trainees to take part in KIT days or keeping in touch days because it helps familiarise them with the workplace, it helps build their confidence, and it also helps them meet people that they're going to be working with, and as such makes them feel all the more comfortable in their return to work. When trainees are onboarded onto the support programme, they can expect communication from the support team. I will liaise with them, arrange a pre-absence meeting before their planned exit from the programme. I'll keep in touch with them whilst they are out of programme. We will arrange a pre-return meeting so that we can discuss their requirements for returning to work, and we'll keep in touch throughout their return to work, and there will be a post-return meeting where we can check in and see that everything is going okay.
The Health Education England support website is a fantastic resource for trainees to find an abundance of information about the support programme. A useful section of the website to explore is the FAQs page, where the majority of questions that trainees may have about the process or programme will be answered. Also on the website, trainees will find return to training activities and courses, where there is a calendar of scheduled training events, which is updated regularly. There is also an online link for trainees to apply for these activities. The support website also details the support process from start to finish. It is important to note that this is a bespoke process, tailored to the individual trainee's needs and requirements.
We at Support are an understanding ear for trainees. We know what it's like to be out of programme and be returning to work. Myself, as a support champion, has been out of programme twice through maternity leave, and I've faced a lot of the same worries and concerns that trainees have, and so we can really relate to that. So my advice to trainees would be to get in touch with support as early as possible, to not be afraid to pick up the phone or drop me an email if you have a query. There are a team of people at Support who are here to help.